Vicky decided to go on a road trip from a city S to a cozy village U, which lies on the foothills of the mountain ranges of Karakoram. He chalks out the route map where he notes down the cities, villages he will be passing by, which are A, B, C, D, and T. There are three types of roads that will be driven through: normal roads, which is a single line; expressways, which is a thick line; and dotted line, which is a dirt line. And okay, there's a thick line, thin line, and dotted line. So his average speed on the normal road, which is a normal line, is 50. So this is 50. Everywhere this is thin line is 50. 50 and 50. 90 kilometers on the thick line, right? Thick line was the expressway. So 90 is the speed, 90 is the speed, and 30 is for the dirt road. So this is 30, 30, and 30. Okay, the distance between a pair of connected cities, villages is given in the table below. Okay, so S to A is 150. So this is 150 kilometers. S to A. S to T is 360 and so on and so forth. Okay, so this table is given. Fine. He will stop for 20 minutes every time he reaches a city and 10 minutes. So city is 20 minutes and village is 10 minutes. A, T, and C are cities. So this is city. This is city. I'll circle it. A, T, city, and C, city. These three are cities. The non-circled ones are villages. Assume that you will drive only in the direction of the indicated arrows. That's okay. What is the first question? Vicky leaves from the city as 8:25 a.m. When is the earliest he can reach U? So 8:25 a.m. if he's reaching, so you need to look at what is the fastest he can reach. So you need the time. So let's look at the time for each route. So time taken is distance by speed, which is 3 hours. AB, if I go AB, it is 135. So 135 by 90. This will be 45 goes 3 times, 45 goes 2 times, 3 by 2, 1.5 hours. This is 3 hours. Then ST is 360. So 360 by 90 will be 4 hours. Then SC is 100. So 100 by 50, which is equal to 2 hours. Then we have AT. AT is 75. 75 by 50 is 75 by 50. 70 by 50 is 3 by 2, which is 1.5. Then CT. CT is 45. 45 by 30. 45 by 30 will be equal to, again, 3 by 2, which is 1.5. Then BU. BU is 125. So 125 by 50. So 25 goes 2 times, 25 goes 5 times, 2 by 5, which is 2.5. 5 by 2, which is 2.5. Then TU. TU is 105. So 105, so 15 goes 2 times, 15 goes 7 times, 7 by 2, which is 3.5. Okay. Then you have CD. CD is 225. So 225 by 90. 45 again goes 2 times, 45 goes 90, 180, 4, 5 times. So 5 by 2, which is 2.5 hours. And finally DU. DU is 75. So 75 by 30. 15 goes 5 times, 15 goes 2 times, so 5 by 2, which is 2.5. Now, which route should I take? The fastest route I want, the shortest time taking. But also keep in mind, I have to add these times. So if I take, okay, let's look at the different routes. SABU. This will take 3 plus SA. A to B is 1.5 plus B to U is 2.5. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hours. Plus, I will also stop at A and B. A 20 and B is a village, 10. So 30 minutes, half hour. This is 7.5 hours. That is SABU. I can also look at SATU. SATU will be 3 plus AT is 1.5 plus TU is 3.5. This is 3, 3, 6, 7, 8 hours. 8 hours plus A and T are both cities. So 20 plus 20, 40 minutes. 40 is 2/3 of an hour. Okay, so this is 8.66 hours. Then I can also go, so all routes with A are done. Then I can go from STU. STU will be 4 plus 3.5, which is equal to 7.5. Plus I will need only one city, T, and T is a city. So 20 minutes is 1/3. So 1/3 plus half. So whatever, 75 by 7.5 plus 0.33, 7.833, something like that. That's okay. Let's leave it at that. Then we have SCTU. SCTU will take 2 hours plus CT is 1.5 plus TU is 3.5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus. Now I have to look at SCT are 2 cities. So 2 cities is 40 minutes. That is 2/3 of an hour. Then I can go SCDU. SCDU will be 2 hours plus 2.5 plus 2.5, which is 7 hours plus city and village. So that is half an hour, 20 plus 10. Now the least here is 7.5 hours, I believe. Yeah, 7.5 hours is the least. Okay, there are 2 routes possible. So 7.5 hours from which time? Okay, that is lengthy. 8:25 to half an hour. So that will be 8:55 and then add 7 hours to it. So 55, 7 2 14, 15, 15:55. That is 3:55 p.m. That's your answer. What could be the highest average speed if it is entire journey? Highest average speed. Average speed is total distance travel by total time taken. So you want the distance to be max and the time to be the least. Distance to be the maximum and time to be the least. Okay, so we have the SABU here. So the total distance from SABU is 150 plus 135 plus 125. So 1, 2, 300, 330, 340, 350, 360, 360 plus 50, 410 by 7.5. So 15 by 2. This is the average speed here. Similarly, if I look at SAT, so let me write down the values here. SABU is 410 into 2 by 15. Similarly, if I write SATU, SA is 150, AT is 75. 150 plus 75 is 225 plus 225 plus 105. So 325, 330. 330 divided by 8.66. So 8, 2 by 3, 24, 25, 8 3 is 24, 25, 26. 26 into 3. That is SATU. Then I have STU. STU total distance. STU total distance will be 360 plus 105, 465 by time taken. Time taken is 7.5. So 15, 7.5. So 15 by 2 plus 1 by 3. That is 15 3s of 45 plus 2 by 6, 47 by 6, 47 into 6. Okay, so STU, SCTU. This will be SCTU. Total distance is 100 plus SCT. 145 plus 105. 145, 150, 250. 250 SCTU by 7, 3 is 21, 22, 23. 23 into 3. And finally SCDU. SCDU will be SCDU should be SCDU 100 plus 225, 325 plus 75, 325 plus 20, 325 plus 75 is 400 by time taken is 7.5, so 15 into 2. Okay, so now let's look at it. Clearly, I am looking at the highest possible value. So this is 800 by 15, this is 820 by 15. So this is better. So this is not correct. Now if I'm looking at this, 2 goes 13 times, 2 goes 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 165. 165 into 3 by 13. So 165 into 3. 300, 6 3s are 180, 5 3s are 15. 95, 495. So this is 495 by 13. So this is gone because numerator is also bigger for SATU and denominator is smaller. So SATU is better. 495. So then we are looking at 6 8s are 48. 465 by 8. This is even better. So this is gone. Now the next one is 3 goes 8 times. 3 8s are 24. So 250 by 8. Definitely this is gone because you have a bigger number here. 465 by 8. So I think STU is the correct answer. 465. So 6 goes almost 8 times. So 465 by 8. 465 by 8. 8 goes 8 5s are 40. 65. 8 9s are 63. 20. 8 2s are 16. and 8 5 is 40. 59.25, something close to that. I have approximated it. 59.59 is it? 59.25, yeah. So I think, yeah, this will be the answer. Closest to this. I have approximated something, so I am not getting exactly what is given. Vicky's car gives the same mileage irrespective of the type of road he drives on. If he chooses the most economical route for him, then what percentage of time did he spend making a stop in the city's village's office on his route? So, okay, Vicky's car gives the same mileage irrespective of the type of road he drives on. If he chooses the most economical route for him, which means if the route is minimal in terms of the distance, then what percentage of time did he spend making a stop in the cities, villages in this route? So I have to look at the route which has got the minimum distance. Because if the distance is minimum, then my mileage will also be least. So my minimum distance, I think, is in 250 SCTU. Yes, the minimum distance is SCTU, if I'm not mistaken. SCTU is S to C is 100, 145, 245, 250. Yes. So SCTU is the route in which SCTU we just calculated. SCTU is 7 2 by 3. So that is 7 is 21, 22, 23. So 23 by 3 hours, in which he'll be spending C and T 2 cities. So 2 cities 40 minutes. 40 minutes is 2 by 3. So this percentage 2 by 23 into 100. So 2 by 23 into 100. Let's see what percentage is that. 2 by 23 into 100 will be 200 by 23. What percentage is that? 6%, 7%. 23 goes 8 times. 8 is 24, 2 it is 16, 17, 18. This is 16. So 8 point something. 8 point something is only one option. Okay, this is a bit lengthy.